Kayaks were created thousands of years ago by the Inuit, formerly known as Eskimos, of the northern Arctic regions. They used driftwood and sometimes the skeleton of a whale to construct the frame of the kayak, and animal skin, particularly seal skin, was used to create the body. The main purpose for creating the kayak, which literally translates to hunter's boat, was for hunting and fishing. The kayak's stealth capabilities allowed for the hunter to sneak up behind animals on the shoreline and successfully catch their prey. In the 1740s, Russian explorers led by the Danish explorer Vitus Bering came in contact with the Aleutians, who had taken the basic kayak concept and developed multiple designs specifically for hunting, transportation, and environmental conditions. They soon recognized the Aleutians were very skillful at hunting sea otters by kayak. Because otters were a popular commodity in Europe and Asia, they would exploit and even kidnap Aleutians to keep them aboard their ships to work and hunt. By the mid-1800s, the kayak became increasingly popular, and the Europeans became interested. In 1932, long-distance kayaker Friedel Mayer paddled from Bavaria to Westminster, England, and in 1933 she paddled from Westminster to Montrose, Scotland. Kayaking progressed as a fringe sport in the US until the 1970s, when it became a mainstream popular sport. Now, more than 10 whitewater kayaking events are featured in the Olympics. So why do I kayak? I kayak because it gives me a buzz. It takes me away from the outside world and into a place where I feel excitement, serenity, and calm at the same time. As I launch my kayak into the river, I feel a rush of adrenaline. If the water is fast moving, I can hear the sounds of the rapids in the distance. As I paddle through the calm stretches of the river, I take in breathtaking views of the surrounding nature. The sun is shining and the water is clear. As I make my way through the river, I can't help but feel a sense of accomplishment. This is a great sport, and I'm grateful to be experiencing it. So I'm always on the lookout for new adventures and new places to explore. This was my latest adventure.
I woke up to the morning sky first, baby blue just like we rehearsed. When they get up off this ground, shaking leaves back down to the brown, 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 till I'm clean. Then I walk where I'll be shaded by the trees, by a meadow of green, for about a mile. I'm headed to town, 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 in style, with all my favorite colors. Yes, ma'am, I got all my favorite colors right now. My sisters and my brothers, see them like no other. All my favorite colors. fly. In gray clouds, or white walls, or blue skies, we gon' fly, feel alright. Baby, help me feel alright, baby. Now we gon' yeah. They sound like a yeah. The least I can say, I anticipate a homecoming parade is peeping the gate in the morning, right on. With all my favorite colors, just bam. I got all my favorite colors, right on. My sisters and my brothers, see them like no other, all my favorite colors. It's a good day to be, a good day for me, a good day to see my favorite colors. Colors are my sisters and my brothers, they see them like no other, all my favorite colors. Yeah, help me sing the song, man. Where the baby blues birds fly, and gray clouds, or white walls, or blue skies, we gon' fly, feel alright. Somebody help me feel alright tonight. Now we gon'